Good afternoon. Today we are gonna do this piece in DOSBox, the Cnc, and we're gonna start with the universal code that we already have here. As you can see, I'm using this tool is not necessary because I didn't use it, but we have the universal code, the coordinate of the first subprogram that is 0001 that we have here. Here are the coordinates and we obtain it with SolidWorks, and let me show you. So the first coordinate is 20 and 30.75, so it's here and here, 20 and 13.75. So the second coordinate is gonna be here. It's a circular movement, so it's for that is G02. So we obtain the coordinate here like this. Is the opposite to the first coordinate. Is just change the numbers. So the third coordinate is here. Up is the same in X and change just in Y-axis, that is 30. And the next coordinate is here, is a circular movement, for that is G02. So we obtain the coordinate using this, like 36.75 and let me 20. So let me clean here. I'm gonna clean here because I need to show you the coordinates more clean, more entendible. I don't know how to say it in English, but yes. Well, I think it's okay with that. So let me continue. We are in this point. We are already in this point. So we need the coordinate of here using G03 because it's counterclockwise the circle. Because if you can see, the circle with G02 are like left to right. In this case is like in a mirror, and we need to calculate the radius, and we put the radius here, that is 13.75, and we use G03. So this is the coordinate, and here and here. Well, let me here and here. So is 53.75 and 50. As you can see, we have that in 90. So it's okay, and it's the same for all of these points. We just need to follow the points, and here is the same case, so we need to calculate the radius, that is the same that the upside, and we need to add G03. Using these points, we can calculate all the points that we need to do the code. So as you can see, we already have the code here. This is the first subprogram, and we just need to see when we need to use radius and G03 and G02. So just let me check if it's recording. Yes. So the next step is the second subprogram, that is 0002. I'm gonna open it here. So G0002. This is the second subprogram that we need to do this circle. For this, we need to use these points that we add to the piece. We calculate it like this, using the same points. Well, are new, but we add the points before to start the piece. So here are the first coordinate that you can see is 30 and 13.75 with a radius of 11.25. And the second is here, as you can see, 25 and 18.75, the same that we have in N50. So we're gonna follow the next. The next is here, using 30 and 36.25. The next point is here. It's gonna be the same in g-axis, so just changing x-axis, that is 41.25. And that's all that we need to do this, just to see when we need to add G02, that is when we're gonna do a circular movement like this, like here to here to here to here to here, and the first and the last is gonna be G01 because it's the initial and final movement, and we finish with M99. So the next step is gonna be the other circle that we have the subprogram here. Is the same that the circle past, just change the coordinates, but I'm gonna show you how to do it. We need the coordinates. We add G01, the first point that is here. From here we are gonna go to this point, then this point, then this point, then this point again, using G02 because it's left to right circle is clockwise. So this and this is 45 and 58. So we have that coordinated here, that with the same radius as the past. Using the next point is gonna obtain 56.25 and 70, and the last point is gonna be on 81.25 and 45. The next step is to go to the initial point, that is 70 and 33.75, and we finish the subprogram with M99. So it is all. We already have all these parts. This. We are using the tool of 7.5 of diameter. So we're gonna cut here and here. In this case, we are gonna clean all this. We just have this movement, and we just need to add this movement to this movement. So let me show you the lines. And here we have this part in the piece, so we're gonna add this here to here. So it's just to move the tool as you want to clean the piece. If you want to do it like this, if you want to do it like you want. So I'm gonna do a movement like this, and I'm gonna show you the program working. So let me start the routine. I'm gonna put turbo because it's so slow, because it's gonna do it all the subprograms 5 times, because it's working like 2 millimeters from each pass. So it's gonna pass 5 times for each to program. So it's gonna be like 20 pass. So as you can see, let me do it more. We are done with this circle. We're doing this, and we just need to clean here. That is the last subprogram that I already show you. We are doing movements like to clean. It can be like you want, so I'm gonna do it like this. And just take care with the contours, because if you will touch the contour, the piece is gonna be like not clean. So just let it finish. It is done. So let me show you the 3D. As you can see, we already have the piece done. So that's all, and thank you.